and my friends, good morning. My name is Airilyn from Maitreyawira School, Palembang. Today, I'm going to tell you a story entitled The Butterfly and the Bee. In garden, several animals live, including a butterfly and a bee. Every day, they look for food among the surrounding flowers. One day, the bee flew too fast and accidentally hit the butterfly wing, causing her to fall to the ground. The bee saw her but left without saying a word. The butterfly stood still, watching as the bee flew away. A few days later, the same bee went looking for food when she got trapped in the spider web. Help! Help! Help me, please! The bee screamed loudly, starting to cry. Help me! Someone help me! The butterfly heard her cries and came closer. What happened, bee? The butterfly asked. Please help me escape from this spider web. The bee pleased, still crying. Just wait, I try to help you, the butterfly said, beginning to release the bee. After a few minutes, the bee was free. Thank you for saving my life, the bee said, still tearful. No problem, bee, I just do what I must do to help others, the butterfly replied. I'm sorry for crashing into you and leaving you there, the bee sobbed. It's okay, bee, I forgive you, the butterfly said, hugging the bee. From that day on, the butterfly and the bee became friends. The end. The moral lesson in this story is be kind to others because you will never know when you might need help in the future. Thank you.